some Tropicana shit. Yeah, I got it out the mud, I got it out the boot. Yeah, what's missing is the roof. These bitches is some goofies, these bitches is some ops. Yeah, double D's, holding up my crop top. Yeah, I'm sweeping up the flow with these bitches. Yeah, I'm mopping the flow with these bitches. Yeah, I know a lot of tough talking, I know a lot of niggas got a lot of tough talk, but I'm a tough act to follow. Knock a bitch into tomorrow. Gotta get this money tonight, today, and tomorrow. Yeah, when it rains, it pours. I know you know that I'm the queen. Yeah, living out my motherfucking dreams. Yeah, I park that Lambo sideways. Pussy niggas hating on me, turn sideways. I know you see the credit card scammers. I know you see I got that Louisiana grammar. I know you see that country grammar. Yeah, I'm too hot to handle. Yeah, and we gon' talk about it. These bitches wanna spark about it. Yeah, I'ma strike a match. So many dope fiends up in my section. You know it's trapaholics. I'm addicted, I'm a trapaholic. To the day I die, I'm a ball to a fall. Yeah, it's a bird, it's a plane. Yeah, look at how these diamonds glow in my chain. A lot of bitches think that they can do the same thing. I'm getting money. Yeah, don't take a bitch like Tropicana diamonds.